Hey students, welcome back to the Vedantu English channel. This is Suhas, your chemistry master teacher. Students, I hope your preparation is extremely doing good. Today I come with a new topic called chemistry last minute revision. One last revision about chemistry session for this year for board exam 2024. Hi Lalit. Students, the voice is clearly audible, the PPT is clearly visible. In today's session, we discuss overall all 4 unit important topics and also what 100% tomorrow exam topic also everything we discuss. Okay students, come on everyone, let us know. Let us know everyone. Voice is clearly audible. Everyone. Still only 2 is there. Why? Lalit, voice is clearly audible. Let us know. Okay, let's wait 30 seconds to join. Let us wait for a few more minutes to join everyone. Students, come on, let us know. Let us know in chat section. Everyone, let us know. The voice is clearly audible and the PPT is clearly visible. If it's visible and audible, let us know. Full clear, super Lalit. I hope every preparation is extremely good. Has Anvita. Has super. Students, okay, let's start with chemical reaction and equation. Before entering to the session, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel for more updates. Okay, and also all the very best for your tomorrow exam, tomorrow science exam. I hope everyone got out for your science exam. Okay, let's start with chemical reaction and equation. Everyone, hi. Let us know. Let us know hi in chat section, everyone. And please do not forget to mark the attendance. When? Where? Very simple. Like the video. Today's target is minimum 50 likes. Okay, students. Within 1.5 hours, we discuss. Okay. Sir, how much time will you take for finish chem? Within 1 hour, 1.5 hours. Within 1 hour, 15 minutes, and also doubt session for 15 minutes. Let's start, students. Let's start with chemical reaction and equation. These are the topics. What is physical and chemical changes? Physical change and chemical change is very easy, right? Physical is nothing but what physical? There is no new substance. Chemical is nothing but new substance is formed. It is not important. Let's move for the characteristics. How to identify chemical reaction and equation, students, by using color and other thing, right? Hi Anvita, yes Lalit. Third one, chemical equation. What is chemical equation? In chemical equation, we have two types. Word equation is there. Skeletal equation is there. Word equation is nothing but if we write the chemical reaction in word format, it is called word equation. If it's writing skeletal format, it is called a skeletal equation. Very simple. Balancing chemical equations, very important. Let's discuss balancing chemical equation. Balancing chemical equation. What is balancing chemical equation? Students, from this unit, minimum 6 marks is coming. In 6 marks, from this topic is there na double displacement and displacement reaction. Exactly 100% one question, student. 100% one question. Sudesh sir, is NCERT and PYQ and I solved only 20-30 sample papers. Is it enough? Yes, it's enough. Yes, it is enough, Sudesh. It is enough. Students, look here. From these two topics, definitely 100% question. Lalit, focus on these two topics and also this rancidity. We know from this unit 2 MCQ is there na. These two topics, 1 MCQ, and this corrosion and rancidity topic, 1 MCQ. And also 3 marks questions, 3 or 2 marks questions coming from redox reaction part. And this, where is this? Balancing. These are the 100% question, students. These are the 100% question. Okay, balancing chemical equation. What is balancing chemical equation? Very simple. We need to balance the chemical equation. Why? Because every reaction or every activity, it is always related to law of conservation of mass, right? Yes. Neither be created nor be destroyed. Super. Sir, rancidity not come in board exams. No, Siddharth, it is also important. In previous year question, they ask rancidity topic, especially that nitrogen gas is there now. Most of the time, they ask. Sir, tell again. Okay. Students, look here. These three are not an important. Sometimes they ask about physical change. They give 4 options. Identify physical change or chemical change. That's thing they ask. Okay. Either in characteristic, never they ask. What about chemical equation? Very important. In chemical equation, not in chemical equation. Balancing chemical equation, very important. Okay. In balancing chemical reaction, they ask. Hi Chinu, my name is Suhas. Hello sir, I also solved 15 sample paper. I Gautam S. Full NCERT. Super students. Please explain bromine water test. Hey, Swayam, I explained it. I explained it. Don't do. Okay. Don't fear, students. I there. Don't worry. In end of the session in NCERT in carbon and its compounds unit, I explained. What, Lalit? Spoilage of food. Yes, I explained, Swayam. 1 second, I explained it. Spoilage of food is called rancidity. In rancidity, what happens, student? Oxidation is takes place, right? Food get oxidized. Fat or oil. In fat or oil also, carbon is present. Okay, that's why it oxidizes. Okay, where is balancing chemical equation? Students, I give simple trick to balance chemical equation. What to do this thing? Okay, do this thing. First, focus. For example, which reaction we take? Okay, iron, whenever it is dissolved in H2O molecule, is formed Fe2O3, right? Fe2O3 plus H2O, right? Right, students, this is a reaction. Here, look here. 1 second, look here. Here, if you try it and trial method, it is difficult. Okay, it is difficult. Hi, Nirmala. It is difficult, but rancidity is coming. Yes, Gautam, it's very important, but not I board exam, 100% bet and corrosion. Okay, students. In corrosion only rancidity is present. In every sample paper, they announce, students, rancidity topic is important. I am confused in chapter carbon and its compound lesson. Wait, Chinu. I explain that lesson. Wait. Okay. Students, first focus here. Look here. Oxygen is present in two reactant, in two product side, right? Two compound it is present. First focus on oxygen. Why, sir? Because here totally 4 molecule of oxygen is there. If you balance the oxygen, now you can easily balance iron. Iron it is single. Let's concentrate on high amount of atom present in the product side. Okay. Or scary activity XYZ. Okay, I explain. Sir, past please. Yes, Gautam. Here you need to identify oxygen. For example, here 3-4 oxygen is there. We need to balance oxygen. If we balance oxygen, now we can easily balance hydrogen. Here H2 hydrogen is there. For 4, simply introduce 4. If it introduce, it is balanced now. But hydrogen, what about hydrogen? Hydrogen is not balanced. That's why you focus, students. Here focus. Where is the eraser? Yes. H2O. Just here 4 is there. But we need to change the hydrogen molecule also. For hydrogen molecule, what we do? Here I have a doubt. Yes, this is wrong, right? It releases not in water, it releases hydrogen gas. Yes, students, sir, can you live in 2 p.m. in night, sir? Siddharth, at 2 p.m. At morning they take classes, okay? 2 to 8 p.m., sir, please, full science. Students, at morning 6 p.m., Ankita ma'am, Neha ma'am and Navya ma'am, they do. Sir, they will give in equation. As they give in equation, students, we need to balance the equation. In exam also, please balance. Here, look here, 3 oxygen is there. We need to balance 3. For if we apply, students, focus here, please. Always take number as an odd. Sorry, in even, not an odd. If you get in odd, it is too difficult to balance. Okay. I hope it's clear. Take even number instead of odd number, balancing chemical reaction. This kills your time. Sir, I just came. What are you teaching? I am teaching chemistry last session, okay? Last revision. Okay, Kushwin. Yes, Siddharth. Sir, tomorrow board exams. Yes, I know. Nanda, sir, what about 1000 PYQ? Students, here, one second. Listen here. 1000 PYQ is not important. Just focus. That's why I upload 15 plus 15. If you learn these 15 plus 15 PYQs from metals and non-metals and carbon and its compounds, you can easily score. You can easily score out of out in your boards. Okay, from the 2 units. Please pause. Yes, everyone. Okay. Here you need to balance first oxygen. To balance oxygen, just put here. Okay, what happened? 6 is coming. 6 is coming is nothing but 6 here. 6 2s are 12. Very simple. Iron 4. You can easily balance. I hope balancing is done. 1 second, students. Yes. How to bring? We can easily bring, students. Don't worry about it. Don't, sir. Yes, students. Next, move on to the combination. What is combination? I give one trick. A plus B is equal to C. This is a combination reaction. Whenever they ask reaction, now please explain reaction with example. Example: C plus O2 is equal to CO2. This is also best example for combination. Very simple. Okay, students. Next, move for the decomposition. Decomposition. Here we have 3 types. photo decomposition, thermal decomposition, and another one, which is the another one, normal decomposition, photolytic decomposition, thermal decomposition is there. Photolytic, thermal, very important. Okay, where are you from? I am from Karnataka. Yes, we want thank you so much, Lali. Thank you so much. Students, this is about decomposition reaction. Whenever they ask AgCl, it definitely, this definitely AgCl or AgBr, it definitely from photolytic decomposition. These symbols are very important in exam. Just look here. This is nothing but thermo. This is nothing but photolytic. You don't know, right? Please note down these two symbols in your notes. Now only note down these two symbols. Okay. Then what's about displacement? Displacement reaction is nothing but exchange of ions is happen. What happen? It is very important. Displacement is nothing but the ion or the metal reacts with other metal salts. It displaces. Okay, student. Hi Arun. Hi everyone. It displaces. That's all. What's about double displacement? Both ions get exchanges. Very important. In that, this reaction is very important. Please note down this reaction. BaCl to barium chloride, sodium sulfate. What happened? Precipitation reaction. Sometime what happened? They give 4 options. This is an best example for double displacement. Displacement is there. PPT, precipitation reaction is there. And in D, both A and C. Choose both A and C, students. I am late. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Arun. It's okay. This about what happened here. Sodium chloride salt is formed. NaCl salt plus barium sulfate. Barium sulfate solution is formed. Here, this is an salt. This is an PPT, precipitate. Very important. Then, double displacement is done. What's about exothermic and endothermic? Students, this is very easy topic, right? Exothermic is nothing but heat is releases. Best example. What is the best example? Burning of a metal. That's all. Super. Yes. Hi, Surya. Yes, what about this rancidity topic? Corrosion. Corrosion is nothing but rusting. Rusting is very important. Prevention of rusting. We have many methods. This topic is related to metals and non-metals also. In that unit, I explained it. Okay, student. And last one, rancidity. Rancidity is nothing but a food contain fat or oil. It get what it happened. It get wasted, right? This is called rancidity. That's why we always say, Pakka 21st question will come on activity based. As 21st question is come activity based. In these students, focus on the trusting topic. The activity is there now. Okay, I explained. Here, look here. Fast, everyone, look here. Students, 3 test tube is there. Not in 3, 4. A, B, C, D test tube is there. And what happened in A? Only iron is there. In B, A, iron, water is there. In C, iron nail and water plus oil is there. In D, CaCl to calcium carbonate or calcium chloride is there. In which test tube it get rested? It is very important. Please note down this. Sir, please tell me oxidation and reduction. Okay. Here, redox reaction is there now. Oxidation, students. Here, look here. This about activity. Okay, activity is important. Please note down that. And 1 second. Oxidation, students, very important. In oxidation topic, what is oxidation? I give one hint, one trick. O is there now. It is nothing but addition of O and removal of O. Not in removal of O, removal of hydrogen and removal of lone pair electrons. Removal of electrons. These are called oxidation. What about reduction? Reduction, opposite to the oxidation. If you learn oxidation, you can easily identify reduction. Here, addition of oxygen takes place. Here, removal of oxygen is takes place. Here, removal of hydrogen is takes place. Here, addition of hydrogen is takes place. Here, removal of electron is takes place. Here, addition of or attraction of addition of electron is takes place. This is relation between oxidation and reduction. Okay, students. Sir, what about one shot in biology? Maybe it is uploaded at evening. Okay. React with oxygen. Okay. Yes. This about oxidation and reduction. What is redox reaction, students? And also very important topics, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. What is oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agent is nothing but itself undergo reduction. You need to mention that. Okay. Itself undergo reduction. Will one reaction as example, please. Okay. For example, oxidation. Very easy. Manganese is reacted with oxygen. It's converted into manganese oxide. MnO2. No, MnO only. MnO only. This is an example for oxidation. For reduction, what is the example? Yes, electrolysis of water. Here hydrogen gas, O2 gas is formed. This is an example for reduction. Here H2O molecule get reduced. What about redox reaction? Sir, who will be taking social for us, sir? Okay, Arya, you will see my answers in comments. No, sir. Can you tell I can score out of 4? Arya, you definitely score out of 4, not you, Lalit. Everyone score out of 4, students. Everyone. Okay. Okay, reduction is done. This about reduction example. This about oxidation example. Oxidation is nothing but magnesium or manganese. Both are same. Okay, Lalit. Yes, it is different metal, but both are metal, right? Yes, students. Any doubts? And also redox oxidizing agent. What is oxidizing agent? Is nothing but, students, one trick is there. If anywhere oxidize is there, it definitely what happened? It undergo reduction. It undergo reduction and helps to oxidize the compound. That's all. Whenever you see oxidizing agent now, you directly go through that ethanol and ethanoic topic. Best example, acidified K2Cl2 O7. O7 is there. It undergo reduction and it under why soap ineffective for washing in odd ineffective. Okay. Srinagar, Tomar, right? Yes. What happened now? In odd water, calcium and magnesium ion is there. Okay, calcium and magnesium. That's why. Sir, carbon in all allotropes show combustion, sir. Yes, it all shows combustion. Okay, one second. Why soap? That's why. It contains calcium and magnesium. It forms in scum. It is ineffective. That's why we use detergents. Sir, carbon in all allotropes. Sir, I know blueprint. Okay, super Lalit. Blueprint is very important. Carbon. Students, what is allotrope? Now, allotrope, it is nothing but it is an another form. It varies with physical property. It may be hard, it may be soft, it has an high boiling point, low boiling point, but not an chemical property. For every chemical property, for example, carbon allotrope, best 3 example who is the that examples? Diamond, graphite and fullerene, right? These 3 contains carbon only. These 3 contain carbon only. Okay. I hope Srinagar is clear. Arya, now it's clear. Okay, this is about reduction and oxidation. What is the next topic? Yes, corrosion is done, rancidity. Okay, you have 5 minutes more time. Any doubts in chemical reaction and equation? Let us know in chat section. You have 5 minutes time for chemical reaction and equation doubts. Welcome. Any doubts? Let us know. Students, fast. When sodium bicarbonate reacts with dilute HCl, then which gas is evolved? Sodium carbonate is there around. Sodium carbonate. Instead, if we there sodium, it is hydrogen gas. Sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, it is CO2. Why CO3? Carbonate in CO3 is already carbon is there. That's why CO2 gas. Yes, Arun. I hope it's clear. Chemicals and reactions weightage. It is in 6 marks. Students, it's in 6 marks. 2 marks from this is 1 marks guarantee. Displacement reaction, double displacement reaction. From rancidity corrosion topic 1 marks, 2 marks is clear. In 3 marks, one balancing chemical equation is there and in any application level equation is there. That's all. CO2, super Surya. Dilute HCl is added to zinc granules. Hydrogen gas. Because zinc is highly reactive than hydrogen, right? That's why. Very easy. Hassan sir, combination bataiye. Okay, combination is very simple, students. Here, look here. 1 second, look here. Combination, combine is there. Something combine. Any reaction you can write in your board. Okay, for example, magnesium or manganese or anything. Carbon with oxygen, carbon dioxide. It is also called what? It is also called combination. Sir, why nitric acid evolves H2 gas with manganese and magnesium while it does produce H2O? What now? Instead of magnesium or manganese with HNO3 never reacted with any molecule. Why now? Because student, it's a strong oxidizing agent. But it reacts with manganese and magnesium. Why? Because it reacted. It can easily convert. But instead of any other metal is there now, it undergo oxidizing agent. That's all. Yes. Chemical formula of tooth enamel. We don't have any specific chemical formula is there around, but sir, corrosion explain. Okay, I explained it. Chemical, yes, students. Tooth enamel, we have though, we don't have any specific formula, but they never ask chemical formula of tooth enamel. Tooth enamel, they never ask, but they ask the nature of the tooth enamel. Sir, corrosion explain. Corrosion is very simple, students. Corrosion mainly focus on that one rusting. Whenever the molecule is reacted with oxygen, they form a new layer on the surface. It is called rusting layer. Carbon dioxide, not in carbon dioxide, iron oxide is there, ferric oxide, ferrous oxide, everything is there now. China dish. China dish where we use in especially the, where is the decomposition reaction. In decomposition reaction, especially that AgCl, we use it in that. Okay. Now any doubts in this unit? Fast students. Once again, I increase the AC. Yes. Yes, fast. Lalit, Asin, Arun, Pat. Sir, what is the chemical formula of pyruvate? Pyruvate, on pyruvate, I hope. Once again, students, I tell that. Pyruvate, I don't have any idea. Sir, why do soaps not work efficiently in hot water? Very simple. Hot water consists calcium and magnesium. Whenever soap is reacted, now it forms scum. That's why. That's why, students. Any other doubts? Fast. Fast, students. Surya. Oxidation and reduction, China dish. What China dish oxidation reduction, Lalit? Let us know. Shall you move for next unit? Next unit. I am very nervous. Why nervous, Asin? Don't get nervous, students. Be calm. Nothing is happened. Super. Okay, let's move for the next unit. Where is the remote? Students, pyruvate is an carbohydrate. Okay. Nirmala, sir, how to avoid mistakes while writing equation? Sir, for example, some place O2 and some place O3. For that, Nirmala, you need to concentrate. You need to concentrate and you need to recheck the paper. Students, I give one important trick here. After you writing now, I already told every time I already told in especially that bio is there now. Bio is there now. Activity 1 point figure 1.10 activity. Yes, it's very important, Lali. How does metal? One second. You need to, in biology, whenever you draw some art, I don't know, biology diagrams, okay, here something is there, here is there, na art, you need to write here, look here, you need to take in one scale and you need to mention every parts, okay, students, mention every parts. How does methyl orange and phenolphthalein distinguish between acid and base? Methyl orange, what is the color? Methyl orange color is orange. If it had 2 to 3 drop of methyl orange to an acid, it changes its color to red, and in case of base, it changes its color to green. In phenolphthalein, if we add acid, it is not. It is compulsory to balance equation as it's compulsory. Obviously, it is compulsory. Okay, about phenolphthalein, phenolphthalein is very simple. It's a colorless liquid. Okay, if we add acid, it never changes. It never changes color. But if we add base, it changes to pale pink. Pink. Okay. Sir, odd diagram will not come. I don't know. Please, Lalit, I don't know about it. Hi, Janvi. Okay. Everyone, any question? Sir, I forgot to read metals and non-metals. Oh, no. Don't worry, Arya. It is, the video is already there in channel. Just look. Within 30 minutes, you can easily identify or you can easily understand the metals and non-metals. Acid-based students. These are the topics. Introduction. What is acid? What are bases? Acid. This unit 3 MCQ is coming, students. Please concentrate here. 3 MCQ. Definitely they ask 3 MCQ questions here. MO in base color is yellow. S. Base is yellow, na? 1 second. No, it's green. I hope it's green. Surya. Hi. Yes, yellow. Sorry, students. Okay, yellow is the correct answer. I have get simple confused here. Okay, let's move here. Students, look here. Acids. The substance which sour to taste. These are called acids in base. They are slippery to touch, right, students? Salts are important. Yes, this topic is very important. And what's about indicators? In indicators, we have 2 types: natural indicator and synthetic indicators. In natural and also olfactory indicators, very important, students. One MCQ is coming from olfactory. It's yellow, sir. Thank you, students. Olfactory indicator. So yes, olfactory indicators. It is very important that olive, onions, that thing is there now. Very important. Pop-up sound activity. Oh, metals react with acid. Now, whenever metal react with acid, it releases hydrogen gas. By using pop-up sound, we can easily identify while writing equation. It is very simple, Nirmala. You need to understand here. Look here, all of the molecules, the divalent molecules, some divalent molecule is there, N2, O2, Cl2, these are obtained always as Cl2, Br2, that's thing. Okay, you need to write down in product. Now whenever you write a reaction, please check balance and also please check these symbols. Okay, whenever the gas is released, you need to mention this symbol. Okay, if you do not mention, now students, look here, please note down these two symbol. It is nothing but precipitation reaction, this is nothing but gas releases. Okay, if you mention, please mention these two. If you forget to mention, now definitely they deduct half marks. Okay, yes, I hope Nirvala now it's clear. So in sample paper there is no salts. Yes, but it is no never sample paper is relevant to final exam, Lalit. It may be easy or may not be hard. Okay. Yes, let's move for the indicators. Is done in natural indicators. Lab. What the litmus test is there? Litmus paper. Brew coffee. Right? Brew coffee is nothing but blue litmus change red in the presence of acid. In the case of base, red litmus red. Red litmus change blue. Red color change to blue. This is very important. How can a student distinguish between acid and base if it's blind and does not able to taste? By using olfactory indicator. By using olfactory indicator, if we add acid or base, it changes its smell. By using smell, okay? By using olfactory indicator. Olfactory, the nerve is there now in nose, very important. Okay? Any doubts, students? Then move for the types of salt. Especially this one is there now, bleaching powder. Whenever we treat chlorine with calcium hydroxide or slaked lime, it yield bleaching powder. The formula is very, very important. CaOCl2 formula. Sir, I am very confident that tomorrow exam I got super. As pH paper, oh my god, thank you so much, Lalit. I forgot to explain the pH paper. Students, one trick is there. One second. Okay, pH paper. 0 to 14. 7 is a neutral. And especially the application level is there, the application of pH, that agriculture, and sometimes they ask vanilla extract super. Sometimes they ask whenever the ant is between now we use it opposite like acetic acid and other things. Why? Because to neutralize reaction is very important. Yes, students. Yes, 0 to 7. 0 to 7 is an acidic, 0 to 7 to 14 is basic. Here H plus concentration is high. This thing is happen, and also the activity is there now. Bro, I don't study anything. Help me for 60 also is also enough. Okay, Vijayta, please watch the session till end. You can easily got 25 marks, and after that physics Neha is done already. Neha ma'am is done. In channel it is there. Please watch that. You can easily score that. Don't worry about it. Yes, baking soda super. Students, this thing is happen. H plus, and also that one is there now. Every time we add water to acid, not an acid to water. Why? Because it's an highly exothermic. That's why. Sir, tomorrow is science paper discussion. How should we send our question paper pic to you? By using my Insta ID, Suhas KS Gowda. Tarun, please send this. Students, please send the question paper. Please, I want. In end of the session, I have planned to ask this. Okay, please send this. If B bite, mother will put toothpaste. B is acid, paste is base. So neutral. It is very easy. Students, instead of toothpaste, you mention, please Lalit, mention please that acetic acid. Okay, yeah, acetic acid. Whenever we have, we apply this acetic acid or vinegar, anything. Okay. Any doubts in? Okay, let's discuss some bleaching powder. Is this about bleaching powder properties? Very important uses. So, and baking soda, NaCl. Only we have few salt, students. Just focus on this bleaching powder and this baking soda and POP and NaOH, caustic soda. Please concentrate on these four. It is very important. Okay. This POP is very important. Definitely in MCQ they ask. What is the formula of POP? What is the difference between POP and gypsum? Tomorrow morning session will be there. I don't know, Arya. It is there. Yes, it is there. At morning it is there at 6. At 6 or 5 it's there. Okay, CH4, it is very important. This is a difference between gypsum and plaster Paris, and uses of POP is very important. Okay, students, and making of ties, super. Any doubts, guys? Let us know. If you have any doubt, let us know. Shall we move for metals and non-metals? Acid base is only 3 marks, students. Let us know. Everyone, Arya, Unknown, Surya, Vijeta. If it's clear, I move for the next unit. Metals and non-metals. Already half an hour is done. What, guys? It's clear? Okay, yes, super. Let's move for the metals and non-metals, students. Okay, metals and non-metals. M and N, metals and non-metals. In this, let's start with physical property. In physical property, very important. In exam, maybe they ask, yes sir, super. Pooja, कितने घंटे होगा class? In within 30 minutes, it's end. It's end. Definitely it's end. In 15 minutes, I revise the overall metals and non-metals, carbon and its compounds, and after that we have a doubt session. Especially that carbon and its units, it's tough, right? For you guys, don't worry. I there for you. Okay, physical property. Let's start with physical property. First one, the ductile and malleable is there now, very important. Metals are hard except sodium. And also in exam they ask which metal is soft in nature and other thing. Metals are hard, metals are sonorous, metals are good conductor of electricity, metals are a good conductor of heat, and also this lesson is important for me. Yes, Arya, come on. Yes, physical property. Let's see, let's start. Okay, 1 second, student. Physical property of metals and non-metals. Physical property. This for metals, this for non-metals. Okay, metal, students. In metals, these are hard, these are soft. Then in this side, these are, second point, lustrous. It is nothing but they have shiny surface, non-lustrous. But iodine is a non-metal, it is having shiny surface. Iodine, except iodine. Here except sodium, lithium, right? Lithium, potassium. Then next, third one, metals are sonorous. Non-metals are non-sonorous. Good conductor of electricity. Bad conductor of electricity, except graphite. Good conductor of heat. Poor conductor of heat or bad conductor of heat. Okay, here except diamond. Here except gallium and cesium, Ce. Very important. Yes. Yes, super. What's up, guys? Iron, copper, aluminum, sodium, lead, zinc. Super. Okay, here next. This is over. Sonorous over, lustrous. Okay. Metals are ductile. Ductile is nothing but it is an property to drawn into an vise. It is a property to drawn into an vise. It is a non-ductile. Malleable. Non-malleable. Malleability is nothing but it is a property to drawn into an paper, right? Into a sheet, not an paper, into a sheet. Okay, which wire? Normal wire. Normal wire only. Drawn into an wire. I hope this is about the physical property and physical property of metals. Let's move for the chemical property. First one, reaction of metals with oxygen. It gives metal oxides. In metal oxide, we have two types. All metal oxides are in basic in nature. Some of them are called as amphoteric. Amphoteric, very important. Amphoteric is nothing but what is the meaning of amphoteric, students? If we hit metal, it will be thin. Super. What is the meaning of amphoteric? Amphoteric is nothing but the metal oxide. Some of the metal oxides are there. They shows both basic and acidic character. It's nothing but both are reacted with acid and also base to give a neutralized metal salt. To give a metal salt, these are called as an amphoteric. For example, zinc oxide Al2O3. Very important. Then next one, very important, metals with metal salts. Reactivity series. What is reactivity series? The decreasing order of the arrangement of decreasing order of the metals in the series. It is called reactivity series, right, student? Reactivity series of metals. Very important. Reactivity series of n metals, RSM. Very important. Please note down this point. Okay. Which reactivity series of metals, Vemu? The arrangement of metals in the decreasing order of the reactivity is called reactivity series of metals. Displacement reaction is happened, single displacement reaction. It is very important. Please concentrate. Next. Okay. Yes. Next, chemical properties done. Next, move for the extraction of metals. Depends upon reactivity. We divide metals as into three parts: highly reactive metals, moderately reactive metals, and least reactive metals. For highly reactive metals, we have three steps. First step is enrichment of ore. In enrichment, what we do, we remove the gangue. First, you need to you need to know the difference between what? Ores and minerals. Minerals is nothing but the what, students? Reactivity series S. In metals and ores is nothing but it is an mineral. We from this we extract the metals, but in minerals we can't. Okay, highly reactive series. These highly reactive metals is nothing but they are highly affinity to carbon and halogens. They are obtained as an halide and oxide, halide and oxide ores. Okay, from using electrolytic refining method. By using electrolytic refining method, we extract the metal. Okay, by using electrolytic refining method, we take an molten state of a metal and we do electrolysis. By using electrolysis, we extract the metals. This about highly reactive. What about moderately reactive metals? Moderately reactive metals. They obtained in three forms: oxide form, carbonate form, and sulfide form. By using roasting. What is roasting, students? We heat the compound by using excess amount of oxygen. Right, students? As roasting, we convert sulfur into oxide ore by then using reducing agents. Yes, by using reducing agent we get the metals. Okay, I hope it's clear. Then here oxide ore, same. This method is formed. Here calcination. By using calcination, we convert carbonate ore to oxide ore. Then by using reducing agent, we get in metals. This is step 2. Yes, students? Yes. This about moderately reactive metals. What about least reactive metals? Least reactive metals are always obtained in two forms: sulfide forms and oxide forms. Same roasting method, we convert into oxide form. Then by using, if it heat it alone, we get the molecule. And here thermite process, very important. 1 second, I remove it, students. Yes, ओजोन को O3 और ऑक्सीडेज को बाई O3 लिखता है, कैसे, क्यों और कैसे? What is the question? Yes, I already removed. Okay, Virat, what is the question, bro? ओजोन को O3, O3 is done, but not an O3, it is an O2. Yes, I removed Surya. 1 second, students. Hello? Yes, students. Okay, ozone. Virat, listen here. O3 is ozone, not an O3 is O2 is an oxidation, not an O3. Don't confuse here. O2 is oxidation. No, we not write O2, O3. It is also an oxidizing agent. If you go through your higher studies, O3 is there. If you use O3 now, they form cyclic oxygen molecule this side. Okay, this thing is formed cyclopropanone something. Okay, not in propanone, cyclopropane. Okay. Yes, students. Okay, this about least reactive metals and also thermite process or aluminothermy process. Thermite, especially some for manganese, right? They are highly affinity to carbon. What happened now? If we use carbon as a reducing agent, it reacts. Okay, Virat, yes, super. It reacts, students. Okay, what happened? It not in react. So it react. It is an highly affinity. Some metals are highly affinity. That's why aluminum is used. In this process, especially this reaction is there na. Fu2O3, aluminum, Al2O3, iron, heat. It is very important. Please concentrate there. Please note down this reaction aluminum thermite. Why? Which? Okay, the question is there. They ask like this. Okay, students. Uh, the reaction it is used, the metal X is heated with something and it is metal ore of X is heated something, and also it is used to join the railway tracks, which is X. What is the role? That thing they ask. Please bro, don't disturb here. Please don't disturb here. We don't have time. Please, it is an honorable request. Please bro, don't disturb. Please. We have only little bit time. Okay, please don't disturb. Hi Bathwasam. Hi Surya. Yes, joining for railways. Yes, joining for railways. We use it. Thermite, aluminothermy process. Okay, students. Then very important corrosion topic. Corrosion. Yes, corrosion is very important. Okay, corrosion is important. Corrosion. Whenever metal is reacted with oxygen, it forms a new surface, metal oxide. That Ag2S is there, very important. And also aqua regia. Oh my God, I forgot. Hi. I forgot the aqua regia royal water. What is aqua regia? The mixture of concentrated HCl and concentrated HNO3 in the ratio of 3:1. Very important. This reagent as Fe2O3 super. This reagent, sorry, this mixture is used to dissolve, which way it is used to dissolve gold, noble metal, students, very important. Okay, next move on to the alloy part, very important. These are the example for alloy. Brass alloy is there, bronze, students, please note brass alloy. Definitely for your exam, it is definitely come for your exam. Thanks Vishwa, I am also a math teacher. I teach both maths and chemistry. Yes, gold. Yes, students, brass is very important. It is consist Co plus Z, and also students in assessment and reason definitely they ask. What they ask? Alloys are the mixture of only metals. No. Alloys are the mixture of more than two metals or more than two. Oh, electrolytic refining. I don't explain. Okay, Lalit. I explained it. Wait. More than two metals or more than metals and non-metals. We have many is there, metals and non-metals. This is very important. Amalgam is there. Okay, let's concentrate. Then let's move for the electrolytic refining. What happened? This is in step 3. We take impure metal as an anode, pure metal as cathode. For example, especially that CuSO4, copper sulfate. Always they ask copper refining. Okay, CuSO4. Here CuSO4 solution is there. The metal solution is there. What happened? Here what happened at this? The Cu2 plus ion losses its first copper losses its 2 electron and oxidized to form Cu2 plus. This Cu2 plus enter to the solution and it goes through the cathode, and the cathode electrode is increases. Here pure metal get deposited, and here one important is there, anode mud, students. Anode mud, it is an impurities present with the metals. Thank you so much, Vishwa. What is brine? Brine, very simple. That's CaOH2, right? Brine solution. Anode mat, super. Yes. Everyone, any doubt? From this unit, any doubt? These are the alloys, okay? This is used for alloy. It is used to prevent the painting, permanent painting. If we use the alloy, it makes the property, increase the property of metals and other things. Okay, for example, we can easily where is the this soldier is there now, lead and tin. In exam they definitely ask why soldier alloy is used for tin. Why? Because if we mix lead and tin, lead is a strong compound. No, tin is a strong compound. If we mix strong metal, if we mix it, it has a low melting point. It becomes low melting point. No sir, NaCl, yes, NaCl is brine. Sodium chloride, it is a salt, right? Yes, NaCl, man. Okay, Virat, any doubt? Students, in metals and non-metals, any doubt? Let us know. You have another 5 minutes time, and after this we move for the carbon and its compounds. Everyone, ICC, Indian Cricket Council, huh? Sir, please explain calcination. Okay, Janu. Calcination and roasting. Okay, here I need to remove the everything. Okay, Janu, listen here, ma. Calcination and roasting. Difference between calcination and roasting. Calcination, it is used for carbonate ores, especially that moderately reactive metals. Calcination is nothing but, for example, zinc carbonate. As zinc carbonate, whenever we heat zinc carbonate in the presence of limited amount of oxygen. One second, students. Ah, sir. Ah. Why, sir? Anyone is taking class? I don't know, sir. Baswa sir is booking, right? Sorry, sir. I don't. Yes, sir. What, students? 1 second. Please explain again, sir. Electrolytic refining. Okay. 1 second, Lali. I remove that. 1 second. 1 second. Okay. Hey, students. Okay, first listen here. Calcination and roasting. After this, I explain electrolytic refining. Okay, Lalit. Zinc carbonate. Whenever we heat a carbonate ore in the presence of limited amount of oxygen. Limited. Why limited? If we use high amount, now if we use high amount, what happened? This zinc only reacted with oxygen to form, or zinc form. Another time form zinc carbonate. Simple. We use limited amount of oxygen to convert zinc oxide. That's all. It is called calcination. Conversion of sulfide ore to oxide ore is called roasting. Okay. Yes, by using sulfonation. Right? By using not in sulfonation, it's roasting, right? Sulfide ore to, by using roasting sulfide ore to oxide ore. Very simple. Okay, electrolytic refining. Students, look here. Especially in electrolytic refining, what they are? Same copper. You need to draw the triangle. Anode, cathode. In cathode, pure metal is there. In anode, impure metal is there. Whenever we pass the electricity, now what happened? Here impure metal is there now. Cu copper is there now. It is oxidized. In anode, oxidation takes place. It releases 2 electrons to form CO2 plus. Then this CO2 plus molecule comes to solution. It comes to solution and then it moves towards the cathode. Why? Because it is negative, it is positive. Now positive charge always move to negative. That's all. Then after some time, the cathode, all pure metal, here oxidation is happened, not in reduction is happened at anode. Copper Cu2 plus electron, what gain 2 electron or absorb 2 electron, it becomes copper metal and it is deposited anode electrode. The anode electrode is widely increases. The electrode is increases and anode, not in cathode is increases. Anode electrode becomes small. And here some impurities are obtained. It is called anode matte. You need to mention this oxidation and reduction reaction respective with carbon and okay. Okay, you need to mention both anode. This reaction you need to mention in exam. Okay, students. Sir, what about full portion revision premiere? Ma'am said it is on 9 p.m. but it's not scheduled and I can't find you on Insta. What happened? My Insta ID is Suhas KS Gowda. Okay, now Suhas KS Gowda. I don't have any idea. Heck, what? Okay, students, any doubts? Hey, students, any doubts? And everyone, Janu, it's clear now. It's clear. I think it is uploaded at 9 p.m. Yogesh, please explain ozone layer. Ozone layer is nothing but O3. Brine is nothing but NaCl. Okay, brine is nothing but NaCl, Viraj. NaCl. Yes, Tanu. Okay, welcome, ma. Thank you, Surya. Any doubts in metals and non-metals? Come on, let us ask. Let us know. Any doubts? You guys have another more than 5 minutes time. If you have any doubt about metals and non-metal, let us know. First, it is a 10 marks important question, students. Thank you so much, Surya. Thank you so much. If you disturb, okay, disturb. Sir, teaching will be in our mind, not in chat. Yes. brine solution and thermite process. Janu, thermite process very simple. Some of the metal, when we obtain, when we convert metal, some sulfide ores and oxide ores to an sulfide ores and carbonate ores to an oxide ore, right? What happened? Now, some of the metals have highly affinity. It has an highly affinity. There are notes study. Okay, okay. I confirm unknown. After before ending the session, I confirm it. Okay, galvanization. Okay, I explain it. Okay, student. Okay. Okay. Yes, done. Your question thermite, right? Very simple. This reaction Fe2O3, whenever we convert this reaction aluminium, this reaction is called thermite reaction. What happened here? Iron is removed and Al2O3 is formed. Okay. You need to balance the reaction. Okay, students, balancing reaction is very important. This is very important. Okay. Yes, this is called thermite reaction. Why now? Because some of the metals are highly affinity to carbon. That's why we use aluminium as a reducing agent, and it is an highly exothermic reaction. This is an highly exothermic reaction. That's why it is called thermite reaction. Why here we use aluminium? Yes, remember these all things. You need to study. You can easily remember. Galvanization, unknown galvanization. It is a process. It is used to prevent the rusting. What happened? We dip metals into zinc. This is called galvanization, right, students? There also you will come and disturb us. Nothing. Hi, Sumas. Everything. Any doubts? Fast, students. It's okay, Surya. Just leave the people. Just leave the chat. Everything you leave. First, you concentrate on your exam. Fast. Okay. Super, students. Okay, let's move for the very important unit, carbon and its compounds. Okay, wait, here I don't have any slides. Okay, let's start with carbon and its compounds. Allotrope is very important. Allotrope is nothing but they are the compound obtained in other forms with varies with their physical property, not an chemical property. Sir, can you explain electrolytic refining once again? Okay, Dikshit. Electrolytic refining, especially they ask copper. Here, anode mud is an impure metal. What is this? It is an impure metal, and cathode as an pure metal. Connect with electricity. Then pass electricity. Here, CaSO4 solution is there. Calcium sulfate. Same metal solution is there. Calcium sulfate. CaSO4. Okay, not in calcium sulfate, copper sulfate, CuSO4. Sorry, students, CuSO4. What happened if we pass electricity in anode, copper metal is there now. It undergo oxidation. Oxidation is nothing but here it releases 2 electrons. Cu minus 2 electron to form Cu2 plus compound. This about anode reaction. Whenever it produce Cu2 plus now, Cu2 plus ions comes to solution and it is moved towards the cathode. And at cathode reduction is happened. Reduction is nothing but it absorbs 2 electron and it deposit on Cu2 plus. It absorbs 2 electron and it deposit at it forms copper metal and it is deposited and at cathode. And after some time, cathode electrode is increases. It widely increases and anode it become small. That's all. Sir, cleaning action please. Yes, Meenakshi, I explained it. Cathode is positive. No. Cathode is negative in electrode. Anode is positive. Don't get confused. In ion it's different. In electrode it's different. Cathode is positive. Negative is anode. Sorry. Cathode is negative. Anode is positive. Okay. Yes, I explained, ma. Meenakshi, I explained. Yes. Any doubts? Now it's clear. Surya. Dikshit, now it's clear. Yes. Why not, students? All depends upon our mindset. If you think, hey, nothing is there now, we can easily study, and we can easily writing, you can easily write. That's all. Yes. Dikshit, now it's clear. Lalit, now it's clear. Cathode is negative, not in positive. Don't confuse. Now it's clear, students. Super. Thank you so much, students. Thank you so much for your support. If you give support now, I can come at morning 2 to 6 a.m. I can explain overall chemistry. I need support. Yes, super. Okay, then thermite reaction is done. Cleaning action I explain now, Meenakshi. Sir, Tamil teriyuma? Koncham I know. Vanakkam, I know that. Super. Okay, students, let's start with carbon and its compounds. Let's start with carbon occurrence. It's occur in two natures, one combined state and another elemental state. It is not important. Just leave that. Just focus on study. Ready, sir? Super Surya. Okay. Then second important topic, allotrope. What is allotrope? Carbon. It is an wide component. It obtained in wide component. Why na? It is an 15th abundant element. How many? Which one? 15th. Carbon is an 15th. Okay. Series, sir. Super, Meenakshi. 15th abundant. It's clear. Our body contains 18%. Students, please note down this point. Definitely, maybe in exam, if whenever the paper is easy, na, whenever not an easy, whenever they ask tough, na, tough or competency based question is nothing but student. It's an application. Purushottam, Inata chuti mat karo meres. What? Okay. As students, allotrope. Oxidation reaction. What oxidation, student? Oxidation is nothing but very simple. Addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen. That's all. Okay. As students, allotrope. It exists in different forms in nature. It varies with physical property. It varies with physical property, not in chemical property. For example, diamond is an odd in nature. It is bad conductor of electricity. Okay. What about graphite? It is good conductor of electricity, but it is an soft in nature. In arrangement, it is an 3D structure arrangement. 3D structure. This is an hexagonal array. It is arranged in hexagonal array and slippery. One layer to one layer. Good evening, yo. Okay, students. I hope now it's clear. Yes, students. This about allotrope. Any doubts in allotrope? Next, move for the after allotrope hydrocarbon concept. Yes. Hydrocarbon IUPAC. Okay. Hydrocarbon. What is hydrocarbon? The compound or the compound containing only hydrogen and carbon. These compounds are called hydrocarbon. In hydrocarbon, we have two types. One is saturated one and another one is unsaturated. Saturated is nothing but it contains only single bond. It contains double or triple bond. Okay, students, I forgot. Sorry for that. Bonding. Bonding, two important. Fullerene. Yes, fullerene is also important, Dikshit. Fullerene is very simple. Fullerene, it's nothing but Buckminster Fullerene, right? They never ask the allotrope in exam, students. They never. Don't worry about it. He will come on 6:15. Still, the not video is on extending. Don't believe him full head. Okay, Lalit. Students, here, look here. Bonding, very important. In this bonding, we have two. One is catenation. Catenation is nothing but, students, some of in PYQs. Okay. In sample paper, the self-study sample paper is there, na, Lalit. Huh? Okay. I explain, Meenakshi, please, ma. Surroundings are made up of carbon, chain, they are called allotrope. As super Parthima, it's an correct answer. Okay, students, catenation property and tetravalency. Tetravalency is nothing but it has an 4 valency. We know every atom have a tendency to attain noble gas electronic configuration. For that, carbon neither loss is 4 electron or its gain is 4 electrons. But if it's gain 4 electrons, it is difficult to hold 6 proton to 10 electrons. That's all. If for 4 electron remove, we need high energy. For overcome this problem, they shares electron to form a bond. These bonds are called covalent bond. Definitely all covalent compounds are, all carbon compounds are covalent compounds. Okay. Hey, super. Isomerism. Wait, students. Wait. Okay. Super. This about catenation and tetravalency, it is very important. Why? Carbon forms covalent compounds because you need to mention these 2 points. They can't hold the 10 electron from 6 proton. That's why they never what? It's small size also. Yes, it's also important, Dikshit. It is also small size. Instead of writing small size, students, you need to write this one, tetravalency, because it has an tetravalency, it is difficult to hold 10 electron from 6 proton, and also we need high energy to remove 4 electron from its valence shell. That's why. What? Okay, it's okay, students. This is about catenation. What is catenation? Carbon has a property to form a bond with same carbon molecule to long chain to form a long compound. This is called catenation property. We have three types in that: long chain, branched chain, and cyclic. Yes, students. Meenakshi, you can send Lalit. I want science paper. Please send. Please send in Instagram. Okay, Lalit, Meenakshi, anyone please, anyone please share. I ask for me, Tarun. Please, students, please share the question paper in Insta. Imposter, I am also no Tamil here. Okay, sir, what is the confirmation test for carbon in substance? Lime water test, students. If we pass carbon dioxide to a lime water turns milky. This is a test. It can form long chain. Yes, it is called as a catenation, students. In exam, in before session, we play a session and reason, right? In that, I remove one question. Sorry, because it isn't limited for 10 questions only. That's why I remove. But one important question is there. Please note down this question for your exam. It is very important. 100% question. Lalit, 100% question. Say for Krishu or Tarun, I not use Insta. Sorry. Okay, Lalit. Okay, I ask him. Thank you, students. Just look here. Don't distract me. Okay, that thing is there. Carbon only forms allotropes. No. Carbon only have catenation property, but not in all atom, not in other atom don't have an catenation property. They ask, but it is true. It is not in false because silicon also has an catenation property. Silicon also has. Please note down this. Okay. Hey. Yes, students. Catenation is done, tetravalency is done, then move on to the hydrocarbon. Saturated, unsaturated. Saturated is nothing but single bond. Is nothing but double bond. Okay, covalent compounds. Oh my god. Okay, covalent compounds. Covalent bond is there. Covalent bond is nothing but this is a chemical bond formed by mutual sharing of its valence electron. For example, carbon and hydrogen. And also in exam one question they ask. Maybe they ask, and also it is important. Why hydrogen forms in covalent compounds with carbon? Why? Because it's have only one valence electron, right? That's why. It can form 78, not in 78, more than 78, students. Sir, your language Kannada. I know Kannada, little bit Tamil, little bit Telugu, and little bit Hindi, and fluent English knowledge. Yes, students. Super. Everyone, any doubts? Okay, this about what coordination compounds, and also very important. Wait, I show you. Difference between coordination compounds, CC, and ionic compounds. First thing, these are good conductor of electricity at their molten state. You need to mention the molten state. Please underline this one. Molten state, very important. 3 marks question. In most of the PYQ, this question is repeated. Molten state, but these are poor conductor of electricity. Why? Because it never undergo ionization. That's why. Non-metal, super. Healing action. Yeah, it is. I explained. Don't worry, I explained, Meenakshi. For you, I explain. Sir, you not see on metals and non-metals 100%. Oh, sorry. Okay, in metals and non-metals, the 100% question is alloy question is 100%. Definitely alloy question. Maybe they ask in MCQ or in 1 marks or 2 marks. Alloy is important, and also corrosion. Definitely case-based study from corrosion topic only. Homologous series. Yes, it is there. Wait. Homologous series. Okay. Thank you, Abhinay. Homologous series is there. Oh, not an homologous series. Metals and non-metals. Alloy. Corrosion case-based study. Corrosion case-based study or aqua regia solution case-based study. In these two, one is there. One is there for your exam. Case-based study done. Next, metals and non-metal. Extraction of metals. Either they ask moderately reactive or highly reactive or less reactive. It is very important. And electrolytic refining is very, very important. Yes, I can. Because my maths percentage is 96, okay? Chemistry percentage is 93. I do my masters in chemistry, that's why I teach. All the alloys important for exams. All the alloys, you need to, okay, buy your 2 alloy students. One is metals and metals alloy, metals and non-metals alloy, and also solder. It is very important for this. Refining, yes, refining is important, especially that copper metal refining is very important. Okay, I hope it's clear. Metals and Meenakshi, metals and you want alloy, right? You need to learn the soldier alloy, that metals and metals alloy, and metals and non-metals alloy. These 3 are very important for your exam. Energy of sir is and direction. Thank you so much, Dikshit. Students, just imagine in maths for your maths exam, I plan to take session from morning 11 to evening 11. Overall units in one day, overall PYQs 1 day, overall maths question paper solution in 1 day. Hi, alone girl. Everyone, it's clear. Next, move on to the difference between carbonyl, not in carbonyl compound, sorry, coordination compounds. I see. These are poor conductor of electricity. Why these never undergo ionization? In exam, most of the PYQs they ask why why carbon compounds or why carbon covalent compounds are poor conductor of electricity. Why? Because they do not contain valence electron. Because 1 marks question you have know about me. You know question you know about me. Yes. Okay, bye. Super. Okay. Yes. Masu sir, but I have school sir. It's okay. At evening you can watch the session. Okay. Yes, students. Next point. These are poor conductor of heat or these are having low ambient boiling point. But these are have high ambient boiling point. Why? Because this forms an ionic bond. It contains ionic bond. That's why. Now it's clear. Okay. Next, homologous series. What are homologous series? Okay. Before entering to the homologous series, let's discuss functional group. Whenever in hydrocarbon, the hydrogen is replaced by some divalent compounds like oxygen, nitrogen, and other molecule, and these groups specify some characteristics for the compound. These are called what? These are called as an. Sir, from which place you are taking class? Sorry, Bangalore. Please ask. Today I come to clarify your doubts, students. We have another 30 minutes extra. If you want, I can take till morning. Yes, I don't want any lunch or I don't want any dinner and anything. I want you guys to score out of out in your chemistry exam. That's all. Yes. Okay, students. Okay, homologous series. Okay, this about functional group. In functional group, IUPAC. In IUPAC, International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry, very important. IUPAC students, just look here. I give simple trick to name the compound by IUPAC. 3 parts. IUPAC is divided into 3 parts. Prefix term, parent carbon chain, and suffix. Whenever they give long carbon molecule name, you need to identify, you need to count the carbon atom present in long chain. Hi, Hindi mein bolo. I don't know Hindi too much, students. Make me to score. Yes, we win. Don't worry. I'm there. Yes. 1 second. Okay, you need to count the number of carbon atom present in the carbon chain. Then this becomes parent. And whenever the substituent is present, now for example, CH3 is nothing but methane. You need to remember the name, students. 1 carbon meth, 2 carbon H, 3 carbon pro, 4 carbon but. By add that, 5 carbon pent, 6 carbon X. Okay, students. Bro, you don't know. Hi, Prince. Yes, students. 1 second. Yes. Suffix term is completely depending upon the functional group. For example, alcohol is present now. You need to mention as an OH, aldehyde Al, for ketone ONE. Okay, if it's double bond, triple bond, sir, it present both double bond, triple bond. Which we need to mention. If you need to concentrate on parent functional group, but for your board exam, it is not important. Yes, please stop spamming here, students. We don't have time. Okay. Why not form 4 bond? What, ma? Why not form 4 bond? It's form 4 bond. Sir, teaching Tamil. Students, I don't know too much Tamil, students. That's why I know teaching. Why not form 4 bond? Which not form 4 bond? Sorry, Sam. मैं हिंदी थोड़ा आता है. I don't know Hindi too much. That's why I don't teach in Hindi, because we know if we do some mistake, it gives different, right? That's why. Yes. Come on, students. Let's focus here. Prefix is done. Prefix is nothing but CH3, methyl, ethyl, propyl. it, methyl, ethyl, propyl, that thing. And whenever double bond and single bond is there, you need to concentrate on primary functional group. Primary is always alkane, not an alkene molecule. Double bond is nothing but alkene. The molecular formula is CnH2n. For the CnH2n plus 2, for this alkyne CnH2n minus H2n minus 2. Please concentrate the all these formula is very important. Homologous series. Let's IUPAC is done. Okay, for example, let's take any IUPAC example. Okay, let's start with this molecule CH3OH. What is the name? Methanol. Whenever the substituent is present, okay, 4 carbon. 4 is nothing but bute, right? Bute. First, you need to count the number of carbon atom present in the parent side. You need to count that, students. Then look, any double bond is there. Okay, in this compound, double bond is there, not there. That's why it's become butane. If any alcohol group is there, first position. Here you need to erase this E term and introduce one ol. That's all. That is clear. Then you need to focus on substituent part. Substituent, if two substituent is present are different, same substituent, you need to mention 2, 3, you need to mention both numbers. If it's presented same also, you need to mention both numbers. Don't forget, don't forget. Yes, super. Thank you, Dikshit. Students, please don't waste. Please don't waste. Within half an hour, Surya. Within half an hour, I complete this session. Okay. Yes, students. Yes. You need to mention this about this, and go through alphabet, and also you need to give numbering from definite, from obviously the function, the substituent group is there. Now 8 is come to lower value. Yes. So yes, it's there. Wait, students. Yes, we know Shimon sir also. We are all Shimon sir. Yes, Sam bro, what did you want to do? Yes. Yes, students. Yes, Pasangla. Okay, Dinesh. Please don't spam here. If you have interest, please listen the class or get out from the class. That's all. Yes. What happened? Alone girl. Okay, bye. Okay, students, this is about IUPAC. Next, move on to the important topic, homologous series. What is homologous series? Very simple. We arrange the compound have same chemical property in the series. For example, whenever we go for the market now, we focus on Pani Puri, we have different arrangement. This is called homologous series. Homologous series is nothing but the compounds or the molecules or the components arranged in the series have same chemical property. The molecule have same chemical property are arranged in some series. This series called as an homologous series. Characteristics of homologous series is very important. All homologous series, the molecule or the compounds containing in homologous series, the adjacent compounds or containing or the adjacent member of the homologous series always have a difference of CH2 unit, 14 atomic mass unit, and they have gradually varies with their physical property. What ba? Saji 2K soon. Thank you. Please buy. Go, please. We will explain again, sir. Please. Homologous series. Okay, I explained it. We will. Students, if you have doubt now, if you have doubt on chemistry or mathematics, ask here. I give solution for you guys. But please do not come for time pass, because Dinesh, Vivin is there, quizmaster. These guys are come to listen my class. Okay, please don't waste. We have few times. Okay, that's all. Yes, students. Sir, then please explain me soap. Yes, imposter. After this session na, almost ethanoic acid is there, chemical reaction is there. After the soap only. Okay. Measles, yes, I know. Yes, students, wait. Okay, this about IUPAC is then homologous series. These are, and also for homologous series or homologous series compound, for example, alkyne series, that's thing. They have same chemical property. Not confuse, students. Please do not confuse. They have same chemical property. It is nothing but why? Because they have same functional group, right? That's why. Occasion. Sir, is science chemistry exam hard in board exams? No, it is easy. Chemistry exam is very easy. Okay. Okay, students. Okay, let's move for the ethanol and ethanoic acid concept. Ethanol, ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid and low melting point. That's why low boiling point. Sorry. Both are solvent only, students. Both are colorless solvent only. Here, some important terminologies is there. Rectified spirit and other terminologies is there. Please concentrate. In this, here, glacial acetic acid. Acetic acid, it is also called as glacial acetic acid. Why? Because it has a low melting point. It has low melting point. That's why. Series of compounds which have same general formula and alternate number differs. Yes, it is called. No, Parthiman, not. It is also correct definition only, but it is not in correct format. If you mention like this, they deduct 1 marks. You need to mention they have same chemical property. The molecules have same chemical property and same molecular formula. We arrange in same series. We arrange in some series. That's why. Sir Ji, why there is very low brightness in your room? Very low brightness now because I don't know. Just leave that. Okay. Any doubts? Yes. Glacial acetic acid. It is called as a glacial acetic acid. It is used in many solvent, everything. Okay. Ethanol and methanol. Ethanol molecular formula C2H5OH. For this CH3COOH. Next, move on to the chemical properties of carbon molecule. First one, oxidation reaction. Whenever the molecule, let's take methane as an example, CH4. Whenever the molecule reacted or heated in the presence of oxygen, it's completely converted into carbon dioxide, water, and it releases heat and light. It releases heat and energy. It is very important. Very important. Yes, quizmaster name is Prince. Okay, this about not an oxidation, it is an what reaction? Combustion. Students, there is difference between combustion and oxidation. It is also an oxidation, but not an every combustion reaction is not an oxidation, but no. Every combustion reaction is an oxidation, but all oxidation reaction is not combustion reaction. Okay. Okay, it's okay, Dinesh. It's okay. It's okay. All the best for your exams. What sir session only. I am also a big fan of sir. All the best for your exam, Dinesh. All the best. Sir, the substitution, addition, combination, reaction. Combustion is done. What about substitution and addition? Students, substitution is nothing but same molecule. For example, what happens? Substitution. CH4 molecule is there now. The hydrocarbon, in hydrocarbon, hydrogen carbon is only there, sir. Yes, right? Hydrogen carbon is only there. Here, hydrogen is replaced by some other atom. For example, chlorine. It is called substitution reaction. That's all. Addition reaction is nothing but it is very important. The conversion of unsaturated compound to saturated compound is called addition. Addition, something is get added. Especially this reaction is then ethene to ethane. It is very important. By using this one, nickel palladium catalyst. What happened? This double bond is broken. The molecule get two electron for each. Then this hydrogen has one lone pair electron, right? It is formed to form an CH3. This is called addition. Then move on to that reaction is there, dehydration reaction by using concentrated H2SO4. Very important. Dehydrating agent. Conversion of ethanol to ethene molecule. Ethene, not an ethane. H2O molecule get releases. Sir, benzene structure. Okay. HCl will form. Not an HCl, it's an H2O, man. Sir, you have taught detergent and soap already. No. No, I don't touch it. It is frozen, that's why. Yes, sir, below 17 degrees, it gets frozen. Yes, students. I am afraid of tomorrow's carbon and compound, sir. Okay. Any doubt? Ask students. Any doubt? Let us ask in chat section. Your bias is there for you only. Will be difficult, sir. No, Mehdi, it is not difficult. Don't think like that. If you guys think like, oh my god, it is difficult, you get difficult. If it's easy, you think like easy, it is easy only. Okay? What? Yeah, in all set students, whenever we start science exam, on that end of the session, Tarun and Skanda discussing about set, which set you got, which set. Students, what happened? All set is similar, but the number, for example, in carbon and its compounds, they ask in first MCQ as in carbon and its compounds. In different set, they ask in 7th question. That's all. Hmm. Sir, canule structure, benzene structure, alkyl functional group. Okay, Dikshit. Kekule structure is nothing but benzene structure only. It is also called as kekule. Why not? Kekule use the benzene to identify the benzene structure. They use something. Okay, that compound is there, students. Yes, hexane compound. Okay, hexane compound. Tartaric acid. Tartaric acid. It is present in tomato. Bhavana, Kekule structure. Kekule structure is not important. Oxalic acid. Okay. Sorry, student. Oxalic acid, tartaric acid is also present. Tartaric acid is also present in tomato. Valuation stick. No, students, don't think that. Kekule structure, benzene structure. This is an benzene structure. Okay. It is molecular formula C6H6. Isomerism concept. Isomerism. We forgot, students. Isomerism. The molecule have same molecular formula but different structural formulae. They are called as an isomerism. This butane is there now. All the time they ask. This is called N-butane. N is nothing but N represent for straight chain. Isobutane. Isobutane. It is represent for branched. This is called isobutane. Iso for branch, N for straight chain. Termarinda. Okay, sorry, students. No, students. Okay, oxalic acid. Thank you so much. Okay, students, this is about isomers. Isomers, the compounds have different, the compound have different structures and have same chemical for same molecular formula. They are called as structural isomers. The phenomena is called structural isomerism. Okay, then the reaction is done. Oh, esterification reaction, students. What is esterification reaction? Ethanol is reacted with acetic acid to yield ester, fruit smelling esters. Ester is nothing but C2H5OOCH3. This is ester with release of water by using concentrated H2S. For students, please do not forget to mention the concentrated H2S paper. Please mention it. It's very important. Any doubts, guys? Any doubts? First, methyl butane, S. CH3COO, CH2CH. Super, Surya. Thank you so much. S. This about this. Okay, next move for the everyone wants soap. Next move on to the soap. Soap is nothing but saponification reaction, students. Saponification reaction is nothing but reverse of esterification reaction. Okay. Simple. C2H5COO, CH3 is there now. Here has the ester get hydrolysis in the presence of NaOH or KOH. NaOH or KOH is nothing but strong base. It forms glycerol. Glycerol is nothing but alcohol, student. CH3. Okay, C2H5OH plus. Where is the another molecule? CH3COONA. Sodium. Fat or oil. Very simple. Fat or oil react with sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. It forms glycerol and sodium substituted long chain. It is called soap. COOH, carboxylic acid. It is very important. I already explained now. IUPAC is divided into three parts: prefix, suffix, and middle one, parent carbon. Very easy. Any doubts, students? This is called saponification reaction. Okay. Here in soap, we divide soap molecule into two types. Okay. Hydrophilic head is nothing but oil soluble compound. Okay. Not water soluble compound. Oil soluble is nothing but hydrophobic. Okay. Then arrange. Okay. Cleaning process of soap. Very important, students. Focus here. Very important. Focus here. Focus. Imposter, focus here. Everyone. What happened? The molecule, it get unique arrangement here there. In these clusters, it forms a cluster. In cluster, what happened? Hydrophobic tail is there now. They are water soluble tail is there now. They are forms like this cluster. This is called micelle. The unique arrangement. This arrangement is called micelle. Hydrophobic tails are arranged in the interior part, not an exterior, interior, inside part. Ram Saksham. Super. How to calculate mass of any compound? It is very easy. Mass of compound, chemical formula of soap is equal to this one. Yes, super. Yes, super, Ishan. Prince. I see a Prince. How to calculate mass of any compound? It is very easy, Prince. You need to for counting mass of the compound, you need to know the mass of an element, mass of an atom. If you know the mass of atom, simply count. For example, where is the pen? Okay, black pen. C2H5OH is there now. Here, totally 2 molecule of carbon is there. Carbon atomic number is 6, molecular mass is 12. 2 into 12. Hydrogen totally 6 molecule, 6. Then oxygen 16. 12, 6, 18. 18 plus 10, 28, 34. 34 is the atomic mass or mass. It is very simple. Could you please teach that again? Sorry, sir, I got. Okay, imposter. Very simple. Imposter. Here, look here. What is soap? Soap reaction is nothing but saponification. Fat or oil is reacted in the presence of NaOH. Now, heat get sodium substituted some molecule. The soap molecule is divided into two parts. One is called water soluble. That part is called as an hydrophilic head. Oil soluble part is called an hydrophobic head. This is clear. I hope it's clear. Then what happened now? They get unique arrangement. They get arrangement in the form of a cluster. They form a cluster. Tyndall effect, right? Cluster. Yes. Cluster. What happened now? Hydrophobic tail. What happened? They are water insoluble. That's why they are arranged in the interior part. Just look here. Interior part. And the ionic end is there now. They are arranged on the surface of the luster to absorb the dust, to absorb the molecule. This unique arrangement is called measure. Very important. 3 marks question. Definitely students. If you want, take a screenshot. I go aside. Take a screenshot first. Take a screenshot, students. Take it. Sir, cluster mean it is an arrangement. For example, molecule is different cluster. Not a water crystal, man. The soil crystal, the sand crystal. It forms like a different structure. Measures left side. Yes. Look here. If you want, you take screenshot, please, students. Simple. Cluster means group. Group or same. If you mix the water with soil, now what happened? It forms like ragi ball. Not a ball. It forms ball, right? That is also cluster. Contains many molecules. That's all. Yes, Ishan, super, thank you so much. Imposter, now it's clear. So what is clear? Then here one important point is there. In exam, what they ask now? Soaps are not suitable for washing clothes in presence of hot water. Why? Because hot water is nothing but the water inside the earth. Yes? Okay, Krishu, come. Okay, if Krishu has doubts, I can take more than 1 hour session for Krishu. Krishu, Prince, you are all my brother students. If you have any doubt, ask here. If you want class till night, I take. Yes, Lalit, I teach. Don't worry. Detergent, calcium and magnesium. Okay, Krishu, look here. Soap topic is nothing but soap. What is the reaction of soap? Saponification reaction. Reverse of esterification reaction. Ethanol, not an ethanol, ester. Ester is hydrolysis by using water and NaOH and KOH molecule. It get ethanol and other thing. Soap and glycerol. The byproduct is glycerol. Please note down this glycerol. Very important. Definitely they ask. In soap, the soap we divided into two parts. One is water soluble, oil soluble. The tail is there now. This is called hydrophobic. Hydrophobic is nothing but oil soluble. By how to print? What print? What print? Okay. Has. Water soluble, oil soluble. Water soluble part is called as an hydrophilic head. Oil soluble is called as an hydrophobic tail. Hydrophobic tail, what happened? It is an oil soluble. This is a structure. Okay, hydrophobic, hydrophilic. Hydrophilic is nothing but water soluble. Hydrophobic is nothing but oil soluble. What happened? These soap molecule, when we dissolve, it forms in clusters. Look here, this forms as a cluster. In this cluster, what happened? Hydrophobic. The oil dissolved component, the tails is there now. They are arranged in the interior, in the Inside the water. Good evening, Shruti. Super, Saksham. Okay. Sir, screenshot. Look at your keyboard. Yes, please save this live. If you want, you watch it once again. Yes. Okay, students, what's happened now? Hydrophobic arranged in interior part. Ionic is there now. They are arranged in exterior or surface of the cluster to form an one cluster. This form as a missile. It is only important. Okay, missile. Yes. Now it's clear. Krishu, Ratna, Krishu, Ratna allergy. Everything. After tomorrow, after science paper discussion, students. I arrange one session for you all guys. 30-minute session. What do you want? You can ask. Okay. Yes, students. Now missile is clear. Missile is clear. Everyone. Lalit, Prince, Krishu, Saksham, Shruti, imposter now done pa. Sir, frog is attacking on my big problem. It's clear. Super. Okay. The question. Now come to the question, students. In exam they ask soaps or never used for hard water to washing a cloth for becomes calcium and magnesium. To overcome this problems, we use detergents. Soapless soap. That's all. Okay, students, it is very important. Okay. Now I want Ratna. It's okay. Now please explain esterification and saponification, please, sir. Okay, Janu, I explain it. Saponification, esterification. First, you know esterification, students. First, you learn esterification. Ethanol. We know ethanol is reacted with carboxylic acid is nothing but acetic acid in the presence of dilute H2SO4. Dilute. What is the role of dilute H2SO4? It is an dehydrating agent. It removed H from here, OH from here, then forms one molecule. No. Here OH, here H. Don't confuse here. Sorry. Now it's clear. Now it's okay. HOH. It removes water molecule to form sweet smelling one compound. Its smell is there now, students. It's really good. It is called ester. This is called esterification. Saponification is reverse. Whenever ester is undergo hydrolysis, it's nothing but it is dissolved. Ester is dissolved in the presence of base, strong base, NaOH or KOH, to yield glycerol. Glycerol is nothing but alcohol and acetic acid. This is called saponification. Reverse. Esterification, saponification. Hi, Piyush. No. Sorry, students. I don't know physics. Sorry for that. Sir, please explain isomer. Isomer, students. What is isomer? Yes, isomers. The compounds having same molecular formulae, but different chemical formulae. Sorry, not in different chemical formulae, but different structural formulae. It is called structural isomers. The phenomenon is called isomerism. For example, butane molecule. Whenever you saw the question paper or solving sample paper, now all time this butane is there. Butane, what is the molecular formula of butane? CN, H2N plus 2. Bute is nothing but 2. C4H, 2 4s are 8. C4H10. This is N. This is called N-butane. N is referred for long chain. What's about iso? Iso it's referred for branched chain. This is called isobutane. In both compounds, the molecular formula is same, but structure is different. This is called isomers. What is flux? Jayant, flux is not important, pa. Sir, Diksha Vedantu, say me hello. What is flux? Jayant. Any doubts? Isomers clear, carbon and its compounds clear. Okay. Now I get an idea why you guys are face difficulty in carbon and these compounds. Why? Because from these units, from these reactions, right? Guys, all the best for your tomorrow's exam. From your bhaiya also, all the best. From your brother, Suhas brother, all the best. And don't worry students, you are rock it in your exam. You are rocking in your exams. Any doubts? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ratna can only make her smile. You also make me smile. You are only Ratna Krishu. Thank you so much, students. Students, now it's an doubt session. Any doubts from any units from chemistry? First, Jayan, Surya is there, Janu, Imposter, everyone. Scum. Scum is nothing but students. Very simple, Janu. Scum. Okay, 1 second. Scum. Why this pen always get broken like me? Scum is nothing but when we use what? So for hard water na it forms scum. Scum is nothing but some PPT like that. That's all. Difference between electrolytic and electrolytic refining. Electrolytic, I think you ask electrolytic reduction and electrolytic refining, right? Right, Jayan? Electrolytic reduction is nothing but it is used to extract the highly reactive metals. Electrolytic refining is nothing but it is used to refine the metal. That's all. Huh? Sir, you can speak English. I am not understand your English, sir. ऐसे लग रहा कोया बंगाली बोल रहा है. Sir, बुरा मत माना. Okay. Insoluble PPT. Yes. हाँ, okay, Janu. Yes, super, Jayant. Jayant, electrolytic refining, very simple. Super. Super. Students, any doubt? If you have any doubt, let us know. Otherwise, I end the stream. Okay, 2,2-dimethyl propane. How to write, sir? Rohan, 2,2-dimethyl propane. 2,2-dimethyl propane. What is the prop? Prop is nothing but 3 carbon, right, students? CCC. First, you write the carbon atom. Prop is clear. N is nothing but single bond. That is also clear. 2,2-dimethyl. 1, 2, 3. At 2 position, 2 methyl group is there. CH3, CH3. Then look here. What is the valency of carbon? Carbon forms 4 bonds, right? 4 covalent bonds. Here already in center carbon, all 4 are filled. Then simply enter CH3, CH3, CH3. Very simple. This is 2,2-dimethyl propane. Okay. Sir, that vanilla actions. Rohan, the vanilla, Sir G, please inform. Please formation of ester. Sir G, please formation of ester. Ester is nothing but this is called ester. C double bond O. Ester. Here one R group, another here, another R group. That's all. This is an ester. CH3, COO, C2H5. Whenever alcohol is treated with carboxylic acid, we get ester. That's all. How to know the color of precipitate? Color of precipitate by using it is depends upon the counter ion Dikshit. Why H is there in reactivity series and in metal? No. H is not there in reactivity series. But you know, students, H is having single electron in its valence electrons. In its valence electron, not in valence shell. If they want, they give the electron. That's why sometimes they behave metals. Why metals always give the electron, forms and positive charge. Whereas non-metals, whenever non-metal, they accept the electron. That's why it is formed. Hello. Thank you. What is the difference between soap and detergent? Funny boy, soap and detergent difference is very simple. Soap consists sodium, but in detergent it is different. That's all. Live tomorrow in morning. No, Prince. Already Ankita ma'am, Navya ma'am, Neha ma'am plan to take session. Ankita ma'am take. At evening I take. At evening definitely I take. Okay, that session. Not clear how to know the color of precipitate. Look here, Dikshit. Look here, Ishan. Sorry, look here, Ishan. Color of PPT is not important. Whenever they ask BaCl2, whenever they mention this symbol, definitely the color is there. Color is there, okay. Color of PPT is completely depending upon the counter ion. The exchange of ion is happened now. It is depend completely on that. If its iron is there, reddish brown, right? And what about the barium? It is in white PPT. That's all. Sir, you said that you will see whether there is final revision video or not. It is coming. Sir Ji, why you not? No, sorry, Prince. Because they are already planned. That's why. Ma'am is taken. Why? What is homologous series? Piyush, very simple. Homologous series is nothing but the compound, the molecules having same molecular formulae, same chemical property are arranged in series. This series is called homologous series. Okay, ask students first. Yes, all the best everyone. No. I think only chemistry questions is coming. I don't know about physics and that's one. No, unknown, please. Sir, can I go now? Yes. I am good. How are you, Anugrah? How are you, Anugrah? Students, quiz master, wait. Any doubts is there? Any doubts? And also, all the best. My blessing is always there for you guys. All the best. You definitely rock it. Ethanoic acid. Lalit, ethanoic acid. CH3COOH. It is also called acetic acid. Glacial acetic acid. Ethanoic acid. Acetic acid. Some, there are more names is there. Sir, fear of exam. Don't take fear. Super. Thank you so much, Janu, for attending the class. Thank you so much, Chris and Lalit. Everyone, thank you so much. Any doubts? Now you ask your doubts. How it's saturated, even it has. Who told acetic acid is unsaturated? It is an unsaturated, not unsaturated. Rohan, it's an unsaturated compound. C double bond O is there now. It is unsaturated, not unsaturated. Thank you so much. Sir, refining of copper. Okay, Ratna. Refining of copper. In refining of copper, I think I explained 6 to 7 times in same session only, right? For Ishan also I explained, for Lalit. Okay, it's okay. If Krishu asks, I can explain in any questions about chemistry. Yes, anode, cathode is there. Cathode as an pure copper metal. Anode as an impure copper metal. It is connected to electricity, molten state, molten copper sulfate. Same metal sulfate is there. When we pass electricity, na, the impure copper is there, na, it undergo oxidation. It's nothing but it releases, it give its 2 electrons to form Cu2 plus ion. After forming Cu2 plus ion, it comes to the metal salt, metal solution. Then it is positive charge, cathode is negative charge, attraction is happen. Positive charge move towards the negative anode electrode, then it oxidize. It undergo oxidation. It is nothing but it gain 2 electrons to form Cu2 plus Cu metal, and it is placed on a cathode electron, and cathode electrode it is gradually increases and anode electrode get decreases, and impurities are stored at below the anode electrode. It is called anode, but this is called as an electrolytic refining of cathode. Yes, get ready. Refining is done. Sir, what's your name? Suhas. Ishan, my name is Suhas. Students, any doubts? Guva contain which acid? Appa. Thank you so much, Quizmaster. Krisho, don't ask that questions, please, Krisho. Please ask about syllabus now. I only concentrate on syllabus. I do not learn those acids. But if you want any acid, na, I can prepare that. If you want drug also, I can prepare and give you. Not a drug, it's a compound, okay? Sorry. Okay. Which is your mother tongue? Rohan, my mother tongue is Kannada. Any doubts, guys? Students, all the best for your exam. Blessing from your Suhas Bhaiya, and okay, Krishu, can you share the question paper in my Telegram account? Okay, in channel you can get my number. Bye bye, Prince. All the best, Prince. Prince. Please listen one thing. Tomorrow, please share the after exam. Please share the question paper for me. Okay, in Instagram, please share me. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Yes, super. Non-metals do not react with hydrogen carbonate or carbon. Okay, hydrogen carbonate. Why na? Always non-metals acceptor of electron. Acceptor of electron. That's why they do not react. Fu2S, iron sulfide. It's in black color. Vector law, I don't know. Thanks for this session. Thank you so much. 7 minutes. No, Lalit. Super. Okay, everyone. Bye, guys. Lalit, bye. Sorry, sir. Pronounce Ratna. Okay, Ratna. Enough. But students, tomorrow I hope everyone score 25 out of 25. That's all. I want minimum 25 from chemistry, 25 from physics, and 25 from bio. I want full marks. No, Krishu is my bro. I don't forget. Okay, students. Okay, bye everyone. All the best, students. All the best for your exam. Please, Priyush. Please send in Instagram. My Insta ID is Suhas KS Gowda. Okay, students, love you all. All the best for your exam. Bye, Krishu. Bye, everyone. Super. Thank you. Chemical structure of pyruvate. C3H4O8. It's not important issue. Next class I explain it. All the best for your exam. Bye, Prince. Please do not forget to share the question paper.